Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to another weekly overview of our English 101 course. We're going to start by taking a look at the calendar and then talking about the different resources available in the modules for you. Alright, so today is May 18th. So yesterday, before midnight at some point, you turned in your final draft of the compare and contrast essay, which is our Project 1 assignment for this class, so bravo. I'm getting into reading those essays over the next couple days, so I'm excited to see what you've created, how you've taken all of the content that we've read and everything we've learned about in these previous weeks and turned it into one very compelling compare and contrast argument essay. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. I have gone through and sent zeros to anyone who did not submit that assignment, so if you got a zero, reach out if you want to submit late, because that project is a part of the major assignments for this class, and all major assignments must be submitted in order to pass the class. So if you got a zero, if you did not submit Project 1, please reach out. It does need to be submitted in order to pass this class. All right, now we get to start looking forward to Project 2, which is all about the phenomenon of trial by media. So you're going to be looking at some PowerPoints this week, the framed justice one, as well as doing some reading, a really excellent article called How Trial by Media Can Undermine the Courtroom. You're going to be reading that article and answering questions on the discussion board. Sorry, you might be able to hear the baby crying in the background. He's supposed to be napping. Poor kid is teething though. The last week has been tricky. So if he keeps crying, I'll go get him. We'll give him a minute to settle. You are also going to be jumping into this essay much more quickly than you did the last essay, so we want to get started with that early on. So you're going to be looking at the prompt and the case list early this week, Wednesday or Thursday, and you're going to be letting me know what cases you think might be most interesting. You're going to be posting those cases to the discussion board by Thursday, and then we're really going to start working on the essay quickly on this one. So start looking at the thesis and the outline by the end of this week. So a much quicker process for a couple reasons. The first essay involved reading an entire book, which takes some more time. It also was a chance for us to lay the groundwork, all the skills we need to be successful in the writing of this style of academic essay. And now that you've got a lot of those skills under your belt, we don't have to spend so much time practicing and honing them as we move into essay 2. So that's the reason for the little bit of a quicker timeline. So if you go into our course, into the modules, and we're going to be scrolling down to Project 2, just like Project 1. I've got this folder organized for you. The Frame Justice PowerPoint is for you here, the recorded lecture available right below. Do make sure to watch through that. And then if you want to take a look at the article, How Trial by Media Can Undermine the Courtroom, that's available for you here, as well as some other additional supporting resources that might be helpful as you think about writing this essay. If you want to take a look in advance at the essay materials, the lecture video for research outlining thesis worksheet is already posted, as is the prompt, the outline, and all of that good stuff. So do make sure to take a look at that. Work ahead as much as you can, manage your time wisely and well, and reach out with any questions you have. Have a great day, guys, and I look forward to reading those Project 1 final drafts.